Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about promotion, discounts, looking into savings, and technology stuff. And on and off, I'll do like an unbox of certain items that I purchased, or sometimes some merchants send it to me to do like a review. That's what this channel is all about. So if you care about savings and don't want to pay anything at the regular price, then this is the channel for you, because I usually post a lot of deals. Either it's short clips or just like a long video, and it just give you all instruction how to save just like myself, because I wouldn't want to pay anything at regular price. However, in this video, I want to share my experience with this dash cam. It's a 4K. It's really good when it's working, but after the installation, it was working for about I say about 3 weeks, and it stopped working. I even bought a kit to do the hard wire with it as well, and it was pretty easy to install. It has everything for you to install it too. So like I said, while it's working, it's really good. It's really clear. I have no complaints about that. But for a dash cam, and it stopped working by about 3 weeks, that's kind of have an issue. So the issue with the dash cam is when you turn on the car, it says going to parking mode. So I contacted the Amazon. And Amazon tried to walk me through the tech support and all this stuff, go out there with them on the phone, unplug everything, plug it back in, still the same thing. And they refer me to the manufacturer. So I contacted the manufacturer as well. And they walked me the same procedure, make sure the fuse not burned, make sure you unplug it, leave it out for a while, and plug it back in to see if it make any changes, or see if it's reset, did all that stuff. It didn't work. And the manufacturer wanted me to pay to ship this back. So I was like, you know what? Why am I going to pay to ship it back? I spent $161 for this too, and it's not a small amount of money. And it's not like, I just changed my mind, I wanted help. And so I went back to Amazon, and I just click on the return where I give you the option to return, to replace it, and ask for a refund. And I think I have until February 3rd or something to do so. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to return it, and I'm going to see if I'm going to check out like any other dash cam camera out there, and then probably buy it and install it, and then keep you guys posted. But for if you guys have any experience with this one and know how to to fix it, let me know. But the tech support couldn't even figure it out, and so I'm just gonna have to return it and probably gonna get another one. Okay, that's pretty much for this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.